Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this English lesson series, I will teach you basic language skills for vocabulary building part 1. Introduction. Vocabulary is critical to reading success for 3 reasons. First, comprehension improves when you know what the words mean. Since comprehension is the ultimate goal of reading, you cannot overestimate the importance of vocabulary development. Words are the currency of communication. A robust vocabulary involves all areas of communication like listening, speaking, reading and writing. So when students or learners improve their vocabulary, their academic and social confidence and competence improves too. In this video, we will see the antonyms. So commonly used vocabulary, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning of a given word. The study of antonyms will not only help you choose the most appropriate word as you write, it will also sharpen your overall sense of language. So without any further delay, let's look at the antonym examples. Achieve, fail. Idle, active. Afraid, confident. Ancient, modern. Arrive, depart. Arrogant, humble. Ascend, descend. Attack, defend. Blunt, sharp. Brave, cowardly. Cautious, careless. Complex, simple. Compliment, insult. Crazy, sane. Crooked, straight. Decrease, increase. Demand, supply. Destroy, create. Divide, unite. Drunk, sober. Expand, contract. Freeze, boil. Full, empty. Generous, stingy. Giant, dwarf. Gloomy, cheerful. Guilty, innocent. Hire, fire. Include, exclude. Individual, group. Innocent, guilty. Knowledge, ignorance. Liquid, solid. Lonely, crowded. Major, minor. Marvelous, terrible. Mature, immature. Maximum, minimum. Noisy, quiet. Optimist, pessimist. Ordinary, extraordinary. Partial, complete. Passive, active. Permanent, unstable. Plentiful, sparse. Positive, negative. Powerful, weak. Praise, criticism. Sunny, cloudy. Superb, inferior. Sturdy, weak. Private, public. Problem, solution. Professional, amateur. Profit, loss. Quality, inferiority. Random, specific. Rigid, flexible. Segregate, integrate. Shame, honor. Simple, complicated. Single, married. Stiff, flexible. Strength, weakness. Temporary, permanent. Timid, bold. Toward, away. Tragic, comic. Transparent, opaque. Triumph, defeat. Union, separation. Unique, common. Upset, relaxed. Urge, deter. Vacant, occupied. Vague, definite. Vertical, horizontal. Villain, hero. Visible, invisible. Wax, vain. Wealth, poverty. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this English lesson series and learned a lot. So you can continue studying with me by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.